Hey guys, it's Dante. Good evening. It's Sunday. I'm gonna let you guys in on what happened last week from Monday to Friday as markets, global markets, U.S. equities, and from futures to the close. All right, April 1st, major averages down, major cryptos down. The 2, the 5, the 10-year up. WTI, that's West Texas Intermediate, and ICE Brent crude. That's the global crude. They were up in price. Natural gas down in price. Gold, silver, copper up in price. The euro down. The yen up. Pound down. Slow moving train wreck on exposures, and investors are tuned in. All right. Massive amount of 2 to 300 billion is postponed. All right. Banks extended and pretended. Now the pretenders that have a cushion can keep that markup, can keep that market, and un- unlike others that are micro with markdowns, right? The Russell 2000 down, the VIX up, Dow Transports down, Sports Illustrated owner lawsuit centers the Arena Group and celebrity brand owners. The FTSE 100 up, the German DAX was up, the CAC in France was up. Stocks start the second quarter under pressure, small caps underperforming, communication and energy are leading. Micron and 3M are the best stocks. The worst is Universal Health Services. The Dow and the S&P on track for the first negative day. Atlanta Fed, Raphael Bostic's PCE data up 2.8%. Financials, industrials, materials sectors hitting 52-week highs. Treasury yields moving higher. Real estate, healthcare, utilities, and discretionary were the laggards. Booz Allen was up. Shell was up. The iShare Russell 1000 was down. The Vanguard was down. Ross stores were down. Apple down. Waste Management down. Scorpio tankers up. Cities, Scott Cronin downgrade tech. Affirm Holding down. Micron Strategies up. Discovery Financials down. Sherman-Williams down. Chevron up. Norfolk Southern down. Salesforce up. iShares Trust up. Boeing down. PepsiCo down. Caterpillar down. S&P 600 small caps down. ProShares Natural Gas is up. Financial Spiders down. The outlook Therapeutics down. Citibank up. JP Morgan down. S&P Financials down. Tesla down. Invesco's S&P equal weight down. Construction Partners up. iShares Semis up. Wells Fargo down. Pioneer down. MasterCard down. Pinterest up. Nike down. GE down. April 2nd. Major averages in the red, 2, 5, 10, 30-year, all down. Brent, WTI, natural gas, all up. Gold, silver, copper, all up. FTSE 100 up. CAC up. DAX down. Swiss down. FTSE Italy up. IBEX in Spain down. Tech up. Chemicals up. Media down, retail down. The Nikkei in Japan up. The Hang Seng in Hong Kong up. 58% rate cut chance in June. Major cryptos down. The euro down. Pound up. The yen unchanged. Dollar index up. Dow S&P coming off their first negative session. Gold rises as dollar yields hold higher. Medicare Advantage rates drag down United Health and other insurances. Disney fresh, broad fight support. Disney is down. Their board fight, fresh board fight support, drove their stock down. Citi cuts more jobs, so Citi up. 30-year fix up. 15-year fix up. 30-year jumbo up. 2 Warner Brother Discovery directors resign over antitrust concerns. Truth Social down. Zoomy surges in the EV space. Fallout from corporations. Data breach. AT&T is the largest in other markets. Tesla down. Tesla bears cashing in. Home buying hurdles are in effect with mortgages and starter homes. Oil gains on upbeat manufacturing data and Middle East tensions. GE spinoff, power business. 3M spinoff, and healthcare. Long-term performance on spinoffs are individualized. BYD sales jump in March. T. Rowe Price and BlackRock back Disney's management. CSX, the train, has new Baltimore freight route to New York. Tuesday's econ data, markets in Europe higher. Trump media closed 21% lower. Filing a $58 million loss. Nike up, Petco down, Shell up. Google settles incognito lawsuit. Disney shares holders, they vote on Wednesday. They voted on Wednesday. Avoid tax scams. May 17th is the deadline to claim up to the 2020 refund. The Shanghai and China, Beijing, down. Hong Kong rises 2%. Job data came out, and the June rate cut remains questionable. Wednesday, April 3rd, mixed averages. Gold, silver, copper up. Dow was the laggard. Google up. GE Aerospace up. Major crypto averages mixed with Bitcoin being a laggard. The FTSE 100 in the UK up. DAX up. CAC up. And then Dick's Sporting Goods down. Celsius Holding down. Uber up. Boeing down. Global Life down. Airship AI Holdings up. The 2, the 5, and the 10-year down. WTI, Brent crude, natural gas all up. Amazon cuts cloud jobs and price went up. General Mills down. 30-year went unchanged. Southwest Airlines down. Invesco QQQ up. Dell Technologies up. The euro, the yen, and the pound all up. Bragg Gaming Corp up. AMD up. Russell 2000 was up. VIX was down. Dow Transport was up. Boeing on a global X uranium up. Toll Brothers up. The 30-year fix was up. The 30-year jumbo was unchanged. Mine Medicare up. Fewer cuts than priced in. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust up. Caterpillar up. Intel down. Procter & Gamble down. Walt Disney down. Micron up. Netflix up. Datadog down. Energy up. Industrials up. The sentiment data is screaming for a pullback. Materials up. S&P to snap a 2-day losing streak. The NASDAQ leads the gains. Flutter Entertainment up. The 10-year pushes above 4.3%. Spider portfolio up. The 15-year fix unchanged. UPS up. AutoNation down. PayPal Holdings down. Spider Bloomberg 1 to 3 Treasury bill ETF up. Etsy down. Thermo Fisher up. Peabody Energy down. Interactive Brokers up. Exelon down. Charles Schwab up. Constellation Energy up. The dollar index up. Trust First Energy up. Upside Captain to the year end. Kava Group up. Morgan Stanley up. The Disney board that was on Bob Iger's side, they win the proxy fight versus Nelson Peltz in his what they call shakeup. Crescent Energy up. Occidental Petroleum up. Broadcom up. Meta Platforms up. Equifax up. Hudbury Materials up. Disney will remain under pressure. Intuit down. Hewlett Packard up. Texas Instruments down. Spotify Tech up. PepsiCo down. Qualcomm up. Intel falls on Friday on Foundry unit loss. Thursday, April 4th, major averages down, stocks fall ahead of jobs data, rate cuts. WTI, Brent crude, natural gas all up. Gold, silver, copper up. Russell 2000, VIX, Dow Transports all down. The 2, the 5, the 10 year, 15, 30 year all down. 30 year fix is up. 15 year fix is unchanged. 30 year jumbo was unchanged. Lululemon down. Healthcare, real estate slide. The euro up. The yen down. The pound down. Major cryptos up. The Dow heads for the fourth down day, while the FTSE 100 in the UK up. The German DAX up. And Dow's longest losing streak since October, the 400 Spider mid cap down, the dollar index down. Mester anticipates rate cuts later this year. First Solar up, Vanguard down, CenterPoint Energy down, inflation moving sideways, stalling rate cuts. Goldman Sachs down, no defense in small caps. Stocks lose earlier gains. GE Vernova down. AMD, also called Advanced Micro, and Micron weigh on the NASDAQ losses. Walgreens up. Zimmer Holding down. CBOE Volatility Index up. Ulta Beauty up. Paramount Global down. Walmart and Microsoft up. Salesforce and 3M down. Meta up. Lam Research down. Energy winner. Materials losers. Marathon Oil down. UPS down. BP down. Costco up. Colgate and Palmolive is down. eBay down. Zoom Video up. Norwegian Cruise Line down. Southern Copper down. Transmedia Group down. Bank of America down. Las Vegas Sands down. Old National Bancorp down. Utility Spider down. Sherman-Williams down. Schwab U.S. Dividend down. FT AI Aviation up. Starbucks down. Dell Technologies down. EA Electronic Arts down. Uber down. Waste Management down. S&P Home Builders down. Barclays up. DraftKings up. MGM down. NRX Pharmaceuticals up. Apollium up. Paycom Software up. MedSpace Holdings down. Domino's Pizza down. Charles Schwab up. Union Pacific down. Stock selling off in a late trade day. Walt Disney and McDonald's down. Friday, majors all up. WTI down. Brent crude up. Natural gas up. FTSE 100 down. DAX down. CAC in France down. 2, 5, 10-year up. Hang Seng down. Nikkei down. Australia down. IBEX Spain down. FTSE Italy down. And what we have is travel and leisure down in the European zone, retail down in Europe in the Eurozone. The Dow coming off the worst day since March 2023. The S&P tracking worst week since October. Crude prices hold steady, just under $95. S&P trading, like I said, worst week since October. All right, now the UK gilt up. WTI has been climbing higher. Treasury coupons rates, the uptick on coupon rates are cushioned. Investment grade corporate bonds is a positive. Crude has been on track for a 4% gain. An estimate 20,000, but it came out to be 300,000 jobs have been added. Tesla will reveal a robo-taxi this year. Instagram makes more ad money than YouTube. Court filing shows strong March employment report has helped boost stocks. Argentina hasn't adopted U.S. dollars as politicians play dirty. Tesla is accused of secretly working with Apple to fight lawsuit. Microsoft warns China is using AI to influence U.S. elections. Warner Brothers, Discovery, DC Universe reboot could save Streamer Max. Russia-China trade payments facing multi-month delays on sanction fears. Wedbush says Apple is focusing on home robots over AI would be a horror show. Gen Z women are starting book clubs to make friends. Stock market to soar 26% by 2026 as Fed cut rates more than expected. Strong March job reports highlights economic strength. Boeing's new chairman is trying to win back the airline's trust. Unemployment rate is at 3.8%. Meta loses top AI figures as Silicon Valley's talent battles continues. Wall Street seems to be worried about Apple and divided over its stock. Gen Z and millennials in China aren't saving for retirement. They're getting it and spending. Well, what a great week. Get your money, make right investments, and have fun.